Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered what it would be like to see a perfect ring of fire blaze in the daytime? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a real celestial event, and it's happening sooner than you think. This phenomenon is called an annular solar eclipse, or as many call it, the Ring of Fire. So, what exactly is it? We all know a total solar eclipse is when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, completely blocking the face of the sun. But the moon's orbit around Earth isn't a perfect circle, it's an ellipse. This means sometimes the moon is closer to us and sometimes it's farther away. When a solar eclipse happens while the moon is at or near its farthest point from Earth, it appears smaller in our sky. It's too small to completely cover the sun. So, instead of a total blackout, the moon passes directly in front of the sun, leaving a brilliant to fiery ring, the sun's outer edge shining all around it. It's a breathtaking sight, a perfect circle of light framing the dark silhouette of the moon. This isn't just a random occurrence. It's a beautiful demonstration of orbital mechanics in action. The delicate dance between the Earth, Moon, and Sun has to be perfectly aligned for us to witness this spectacle. It's a reminder of the vast and precise clockwork of our solar system. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds amazing. When can I see it? Well, mark your calendars, because a spectacular Ring of Fire eclipse is on its way. On February 17th, 2026, the cosmic alignment will be just right. The path of annularity, where the full ring of fire will be visible, will stretch across a very specific, narrow band on Earth's surface. This path will begin over the South Pacific Ocean, make its way across the southern tip of South America, touching parts of Chile and Argentina, and then cross the South Atlantic before ending near the coast of Africa. If you're lucky enough to be within this path, you're in for an unforgettable experience. The sky will darken, the temperature might drop slightly, and for a few precious minutes, you'll see the sun transform into a glowing celestial ring. But what if you're not directly in that narrow path? Don't worry, you won't be left out entirely. A much wider area, including most of South America, a large part of Antarctica, and the western parts of Africa will get to see a partial solar eclipse. From these locations, it will look like the moon is taking a bite out of the sun. The size of that bite depends on how close you are to the main path of the Ring of Fire. The closer you are, the more of the sun will be covered. A partial eclipse is still an incredible sight and a great opportunity to witness the grandeur of our solar system. Whether you're seeing the full ring or a partial eclipse, safety is the #1 priority. I cannot stress this enough. Never ever look directly at the sun without proper eye protection. Regular sunglasses are not safe. You need certified solar eclipse glasses or viewers that meet the ISO 123122 International Safety Standard. Staring at the sun, even when it's partially covered, can cause permanent eye damage, a condition known as solar retinopathy. There are no pain receptors in your retina, so you won't even feel the damage happening until it's too late. Another safe way to view the eclipse is through indirect methods, like using a pinhole projector or a solar telescope with a proper filter. You can easily make a pinhole projector at home with just a couple of pieces of cardboard. It projects an image of the sun onto a surface, so you can watch the entire event unfold safely. So, why is this event so important to astronomers and space enthusiasts? Besides being a stunning visual spectacle, annular eclipses provide valuable scientific data. They allow scientists to study the sun's atmosphere, particularly the chromosphere, which is the reddish layer just above the visible surface. During an eclipse, with the main glare of the sun blocked, this faint layer becomes easier to observe. Scientists can also use the precise timing of eclipses to refine our understanding of the Moon's orbit and the Sun's diameter. In the past, eclipse observations have been used to test Einstein's theory of general relativity by measuring how the sun's gravity bends the light from distant stars. Every eclipse is a new chance to gather data and deepen our knowledge of the cosmos. The 2026 Ring of Fire eclipse is more than just an astronomical event. It's a chance to connect with the universe on a profound level. It's a moment that brings people together, looking up in collective wonder. So, start planning now. Find out if you're in the path of the eclipse and how you can view it safely. It's a cosmic spectacle you won't want to miss. Fuel your mind and keep looking up. For more incredible stories from our universe, make sure to subscribe to Earth and Space. Thanks for watching.